Welcome to the Effort and Resistance Force Learning Experience. In this presentation, you'll explore forces at work. Do you remember what a force is? That's right. A force is a push or pull that can make an object move, stop moving, or change direction. How can we use forces to accomplish a task? What if you wanted to move this heavy box? What would you do? Record your ideas in your launch log. When you try to move an object, several forces are at work. Let's define these forces and look at each one more closely. The first force is effort force. This is the force applied to move an object over a distance. In this image, the arrow shows where the effort force would be used to lift the rock. The second force is called the resistance force. The resistance force opposes the direction of motion. In this image, the weight of the rock is the resistance force that opposes the direction of motion. It pushes the board down while you try and make it go up. Let's take a closer look. Effort force is the push or pull. The effort force may move an object, stop the movement of an object, or change an object's direction of movement. Can you identify the effort force shown in this image? In this image, the effort force is Milo pushing down on the board. Resistance force is the force that works against the effort force. For example, when you push a heavy object, the weight of that object works against or resist your effort force as you push. The object's weight is the resistance force. Can you identify the resistance force shown in this image? The resistance force is the weight of the rock that's working against the effort force. When you try to lift a heavy object, you find that the load works in the opposite way from your action to lift it. Can you identify the effort and resistance forces at work here? Drag and drop each force label into the box around the part of the image that represents that type of force. Congratulations on completing the Effort and Resistance Force learning experience. Now you're ready to apply the knowledge you gained as you work through the activities, project, and problem for this module.